Basically, the Pro version is bigger, beefer version of the standard Watch 5. You can get better battery life, a larger footprint, and essentially all the same features as the standard Watch 5. All of that comes at a price $450 to be exact. It's time to answer the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 worth buying? As always, that depends on where you are coming from and the phone you use. However, I will say that Watch 5 is a better choice than the Watch 5 Pro for most people. The Galaxy Watch 5 is easily the closest competitor to the Apple Watch. Samsung has done an impressive job at revealing Apple's great fitness features. It's not quite on the same level, but it's very close. If you want the Apple Watch equivalent on Android, the Watch 5 is your play. If you already have the Galaxy Watch 4, I don't think the Watch 5 is a significant upgrade. You won't notice a ton of improvements compared to the Watch 4. However, Tizen-based Samsung Watch owners will notice a big difference. Google Apps and a much better app ecosystem can't be overstated. Plus, you are not giving up the Samsung features, The Galaxy Watch 5 may not be as flashy as last year's Watch 4, Samsung's long-awaited return to Wear OS. However, this is a super solid, polished, and refined smartwatch. It perfectly blends the line between fitness, companion, and high-class watch. In 2021, Samsung finally released a smartwatch with Google's Wear OS. The company is back with a sequel, the Galaxy Watch 5. There was a lot of excitement about last year's watch. Now Samsung looks to refine the experience. There are two different models this year, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. This review is for the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5. The Pro model has a larger battery and a more durable design, but the features are mostly the same. In terms of hardware, the standard Galaxy Watch 5 is made from aluminum, the Pro model is titanium. The bigger story, though, is the new Sapphire display. Sapphire is significantly stronger than the previously used Gorilla Glass displays. Theoretically, the Sapphire display should stay scratch-free forever, though it can still get cracked. Sticking with durability, the Watch 5 has an IP68 water and dust resistant rating and is MIL STD 81OH compliant. The water resistance goes up to 50 meters, making it a perfect swimming companion. This is a watch that can handle you day to day.